Hey NYTH family, Sawubona! Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got 5 life hacks that will make your daily routine easier, and guess what? There's an interactive quiz at the end of each hack. Let's see how many you can get right. Are you ready? Let's go! Got small scratches on your phone screen? Just apply a tiny amount of toothpaste, rub it gently with a microfiber cloth and wipe it off with a damp cloth. Boom! Scratches minimized. Quiz time! Which type of toothpaste works best for removing scratches? A. Gel-based. B. Whitening. C. Charcoal. Answer: B. Whitening. Whitening toothpaste contains mild abrasives that help buff out the scratches. Need a cold drink fast? Wrap a wet paper towel around your bottle and pop it in the freezer for 10 minutes. It'll chill way faster. Quiz time. Why does the wet paper towel make it cool faster? A. It absorbs the heat. B. Water evaporates, cooling the bottle. C. It blocks the freezer's heat. Answer: B. Water evaporates, cooling the bottle. Evaporation pulls heat away, making your drink chill faster. Science for the win. Don't have a laptop cooling stand? No problem. Just place 2 bottle caps or an egg carton under the back of your laptop to improve airflow. Quiz time. What causes laptops to overheat? A. Too much charging. B. Poor airflow and dust buildup. C. Using it for too long. Answer: B. Poor airflow and dust buildup. Keeping your laptop elevated helps air circulate, preventing overheating. Struggling to peel garlic? Just put the cloves in a jar, shake hard for 10 seconds and voila, skins fall right off. Quiz time. Why does shaking a garlic clove in a jar help remove the skin? A. The friction loosens the skin. B. The garlic gets softer. C. It makes the skin stick to the jar. Answer: A. The friction loosens the skin. This makes peeling garlic super fast and easy. Stinky shoes? No problem. Just put dry tea bags inside overnight and they'll absorb the odor like magic. Quiz time. Which type of tea bag works best for removing shoe odor? A. Green tea. B. Black tea. C. Herbal tea. Answer: B. Black tea. Black tea contains tannins that kill bacteria and absorb moisture. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing life hacks. See you in the next one. NYTH family, stay awesome.